juice. Now I have the flat tummy juice plus the anti-aging juice in here. It's always good to serve it on the rock. Welcome back again. This is your girl Kartia Velino. Welcome back. Please consider subscribing and follow along so you don't miss any of my videos. I know you have heard so much about cucumber juice for weight loss, but there is something that you are missing out. I will share with you the best. It's only 2 ingredients that you're going to be adding into your cucumber juice to help facilitate your weight loss and detoxify your system and make you pee and cleanse out your liver, your kidney, and give you flawless skin like your skin has never been before. You can never have enough good skin if your skin is not hydrated. So here is the key components: how you will mix green apple with cucumber to give you the utmost result that you are looking for. So I'm going to cut it out while I talk. So cucumber is excellent to hydrate your skin. It aids very well in weight loss. It's powerful antioxidant. It may prevent cancer. They say may prevent cancer. It helps to lower your blood pressure. It helps to lower your body cholesterol. It is excellent, very good, excellent for your bone. Like it gives you strong bone because it contains some calcium in cucumber. Cucumber is excellent to hydrate your skin and prevent wrinkle formation. Now, why do you want to add green apple to cucumber? It's of apple, and each apple has its own nutritional benefits. Green apple is excellent, very excellent, because green apple is loaded with a lot of vitamin A and a lot of vitamin C. Vitamin C will help to promote your collagen. Vitamin A is loaded with retinol, which prevents aging, and green apple does not have a whole lot of sugar content. If you have not eaten green apple before, go and try green apple and then try the other apples, and then you will see what I'm telling you about green apple. And it's always said that 1 apple a day takes you away from the doctor. Green apple is excellent for bone. It prevents osteoporosis, like it strengthens your bones and also your teeth. It fights really free radicals and also fights aging. So nobody wants, even though we want to age, but we still want to be strong while we age. So this is why you want to mix up your green apple with your cucumber and juice them together. And when you are making your juice, don't forget, excellent sauce to help boost up your metabolic rate is ginger. And guys, everything here is washed. I don't have to be showing everything when I'm washing or drying soap, because all these things makes video unnecessarily long. So I have some ginger to taste. Ginger is there to help to propel your metabolic rate and facilitate the cleansing of your liver and your kidney. So if your body doesn't take ginger, that's okay. Just do cucumber, and remember to use green apple anytime you want to juice. Green apple is recommended. Sugar content is very low. So at this time, I am going to be juicing these 3 things together, and I'll come back to you. So if you don't have juice extractor at home, just use a regular blender. Use a regular blender, blend your whatever fruit and vegetable you want to make, and use the sieve, to extract some juice because not everybody have juice extractor. Extract the juice with the sieve. And what you can do after you crush your fruits and vegetables like that, if you're good in making soup, you can use them and make soup, or just add a little bit of brown sugar or white sugar and use them as an exfoliator to take off the dead skin on your face or your entire body. So the juice is done. Now I have the juice. Now I have the flat tummy juice plus the anti-aging juice in here. It's always good to serve it on a rock. But guys, remember that no matter the amount of juice or detox you do, if you continue consuming excessive carbohydrate and sugar, you will never get to where you are going. So I also remember to incorporate daily exercise in your daily nutrition and regimen. See you guys in my next video. Thank you.